Hi, Kiana here with PNP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. I just got finished making this Grinch collection. I am super excited about the Grinch boxes. So this is the Diva Grinch box. She's cute. This is another Diva Grinch box. And what you're seeing is the top and then your sides. You would print this 2 times. So I created this bundle for those of you that just want to edit and not design. The link is down in my bio, but we're going to also make one real quick, okay? He's a G. That's all I gotta say. That's the OG right there. All right. Yes. So let's go ahead and make one. Okay, so I am using my gift box template. This is also in my template bundle. So if you've got the party favor or the deluxe one, you will have this automatically. It is the top and the sides. Now the top of our box is 8 by 8. So that's what this is. The template that I have in my kit is like an 8.1 by 8.1, so you'll just have to shrink it a little bit because you need it to be 8 by 8. And I've already brought in our Grinch lady, and I brought in a backdrop. So all I did, so let me just back up because maybe I probably should have shown you guys this, but this is just a frame. And then I went to elements and I typed in pink snow because that's what I was kind of thinking of. And I went into photos and I went down and I seen this one and I thought, oh, that is cute. And so I just dropped it in. Now you guys are all caught up. I just want to move this over because I really like the small flakes and then the big ones on that side. So now that we have that, she has on pink and red. So I want to make sure that I do it with all the colors. So when it comes to my ornaments, I have a fuchsia pink one here, but behind it, I want to go into elements and find red ornament, and I probably could do red and white. I really like this one. I use this one in one of my other ones. So I am simply going to put this on this side. Okay, and I'm going to go to positions and I want to move this behind the other one. So that way we have it like that. Now I'm going to move her in and I'm going to position her in front of all of it. So we have that nice, cute, simple design. Now, if we want to make these, a lot of people are making these boxes in different ways. I like to keep my box where it can be used for anything, but some people are using them for like the hangover kits for like, I guess, like friends and things like that. Mine is going to be simple, cute for anybody. So the next thing I want to add on here is a label. And so all I did was upload a label that I found on Google. So here's the one I found on Google, and I am just going to bring it to size. And then I'm going to cover up everything that I don't want to keep. Okay, now that we have it like this, I'm simply going to put in some text in here. All right, so now that we have somewhat of the label done, I want to go ahead and skip and go ahead and put in our wording. Okay, now that we have our wording, we could have done this, of course, in any font, but I chose this one, and so I'm just going to change the color of the names and possibly add some effects. Okay, so I did forget to make sure that her hat was finished for this AI image. So what I am going to do, I am going to enlarge this, bring it over, and this was supposed to be done beforehand. You go to Magic, Expand. Before you take the background image out, you should go to Magic, Expand, and expand your image and let the AI create the finishing pieces on your image. Now it is going to give it a backdrop of all black since I removed the backdrop. So we'll just have to, not backdrop, background. So once it finished the generation, we'll see what it gives us. I like the hat on this one, so this is the one I'm going to go with. And then click done. So now I have to go back in here and remove the background again. Okay, and now I don't like that this is plain over here. So I am going to see if I can find another ornament to go over there. All right, so this is our Grinch box cover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, of course, once again, if you are just wanting to edit and print and start making these, then you can always click the link down below to get my pack here of 6 designs. If not, then you, of course, you can create your own. Happy crafting!